So there is this trend going on that's called the latte makeup, and I really want to try it, so let's try it today. Hi everyone, it's Lily. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be trying the new latte makeup trend that's been going on. So it's something that's very sheer at the base, but with very nice dark brown eyes. So let's try that today. So for the skin, I want to start with a primer. I'm using the Hard Candy Hydrating Primer. So this makeup look has a very sheer kind of base, so we really want something that looks natural. So first I'm gonna do my brows. I'm using the Brow Lift by e.l.f. and I'm just going to basically shape them. You want something that looks pretty natural. You don't want something super like shaped and perfectly placed. So I'm just going to fluff them a bit. I'm gonna press with my finger to just get the product to stick to my skin. And then I'm gonna use an angle brush with a dark brown eyeshadow and just kind of create my tail. So once my eyebrows are done, I'm gonna go ahead and do the base makeup. So I'm using a very sheer foundation. So I'm using the Face and Body one by MAC. And I'm just going to apply some to my skin and blend with a beauty blender. Alright, so once this is done, I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer. So you want to keep it very minimal. So I'm just applying a little bit of concealer on the spots I have on my face and blending with a beauty blender again. Alright, perfect. So now I'm gonna do some bronzer. So I'm using the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. And using a dense brush, I'll just create some shape to my face. So this makeup look, you want to keep it very nice and bronzy. So don't be shy with the bronzer. Some to my forehead, on the side of my nose, and my jawline. I'm also going to apply some to the side of my eyes to kind of create a shadow and start with the eyeshadow at the same time. Then I'm going to use a pressed powder. I'm using the one from Sephora. And I'm just going to set the makeup just like this. And as you can see, we're not using any blush. Really want something that's very brown, cream, something that's really latte-like. So that's why I'm not using any blush. And I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyes. So using a very fluffy brush, just like this, I'm gonna take a color that's beige and just apply it all over my lid. And then I'm gonna take a dark brown color with the same brush and go a little bit more on the outer corner and blend towards the middle. Then I'm gonna take the same color and blend towards the exterior of my eye, keeping it very light. Then I'm taking a smaller fluffy brush with the same dark brown that I used and just going a little bit under my under eye and stopping in the middle of my eye, so around the iris. You want something dark but not that dark. So that's it for the eyes. You really want something that's brown and matte. That's really simple. It's literally just two colors on my eyes, as you can see. Then for the eyeliner, I'm not going to use a liquid eyeliner. I'm using a black powder with an angle brush. And I'm simply going to create a small wing outer corner of my eye. And that's it. You really want to keep it light and not intense. I'm really just adding a little bit of eyeliner to add more definition to the look. Then I'm gonna go ahead with some mascara and apply some mascara to my lashes. So for this look, I'm not gonna use any fake lashes. I'm really going just with mascara to add a little bit definition to my eyes. I'm adding some on my lower lashes as well. And for the lips, I'm really going with that brown kind of vibe. So I'm going with a brown lip liner and then going with a brown kind of red lipstick a little bit and just tapping in the middle of my lips. Kind of remove a little headband, and that's the look. So this is the latte makeup look. It looks really cute. Honestly, I really like it. It's kind of like a brownish, a brown cream kind of vibe. It's really easy, honestly, and it looks really cute. It looks very bronzy, and I really enjoy that makeup look. I'll definitely do it more often, I think. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video and I hope it was helpful. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all. I love you. Bye bye.